Moment Ooni of Ife called Iyabo Ojo a witch. Hello everyone, welcome to Sumi Crown TV. We've come again to give you another entertainment news. Please do want to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. The Ooni of Ife, Adedimeji Ogunwusi, while recently hosting Iyabo Ojo and other cast of the popular reality show Real Housewives of Lagos, called them a witch. In a video clip that was shared on Instagram on Thursday, some cast members of the reality series visited the monarch in his palace, where he spoke to them about witchcraft. Iyabo Ojo, Chioma Ikoku, and Tanya Omotayo were among those seen in the video at the king's palace. Ooni's queen Aderonke Ademiluyi Ogunwusi welcomed the guests and guided them on how to address the king as he entered the palace. During the interaction with the Real Housewives of Lagos cast, the Ooni of Ife claimed that all women possesses witchcraft spirit and are manipulative nature. He said, "Every woman has that witchcraft spirit in them, but people just probably think it's a negative thing. But witchcraft is all about manipulation. If you know how to manipulate very well, and that is the power of a woman. You should have natural manipulative spirit and you should manipulate in a very positive way." In a response to this revelation, Iyabo Ojo sought clarification, asking if the king meant that all women were witches. The king affirmed this, but promptly added that they are good witches. Thank you for listening to us. Please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section to contribute. Thank you.